Nanababo, Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services sa in Pampanga community natin. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Prim's Chicken Side for sending us these two lovely dishes. They came all the way from Magalang, Pampanga, and our family appreciates their effort and for being partnered with us on this vlog. We'll get into the dishes in 3, 2, 1, now. Alright, so ang pinadala sa atin ngayon, on my right, this is what they call overload roasted chicken. If you notice guys, it's actually, overloading. So you have your full roasted chicken in the middle. Meron tayong potato fries. On top niya, meron tayong mga, melted cheese. We also have, of course, yung gravy. And then we also have mixed vegetables, slices of lemon, for zest. And then ang next dish, ang tawag nila dito ay Nachowarma. So it is combination of nachos and shawarma. You have your nacho chips here. There you go. So let's get into the details. I would like to go first dito sa kanilang roasted chicken, which if you are with me guys, this is really aromatic. Ang bango-bango niya guys. And wow, let me get a piece. Parang nakakaalangan siya na sirain kasi it's so presented neatly and check that out guys. It peels off, easily. But I'm sure this is really roasted well. So una ko munang titikman yung kanilang thigh part portion ng full roasted chicken natin. Alright, so let's taste it. Oh wow. Wow. So, first comment guys, again, the meat is so tender, it is perfectly roasted. What I like about it is, although dark brown yung, skin ng chicken natin, the inner meat actually is reddish, but it is cooked really well. It is so tender, it is still juicy. I'm enjoying this. Did you see that? No? So, meat is, almost pulling off itself dun sa bone. What we're gonna do is squeeze some lemon to our drumstick. Ito yung drumstick natin. There you go. Let's squeeze some lemon. Alright. Let's taste it. Wow, as I always say guys, I would always want a little bit of zest or lemony taste sa mga pagkain because it's so refreshing, Wow. Oh man, this is done deal. Perfect, terrifico, it's terrific. It is absolutely terrific. Now, let's move on to the second dish. Ito yung Nachowarma, as I mentioned earlier. So you have your nachos chip. It's a mix of shawarma and Mexican nachos. Alright, let's get them. So yun guys, yung first scoop ko, it has, good amount of meat. Meron din siyang vegetables, mixed vegetables, and it's actually, the sauce is dripping, no? Tignan na natin. That is actually unique. Medyo nangilabot pa ako doon ah. This is absolutely unique. It's a combination of, nachos and shawarma. Let me explain. Let's go first with the nachos. So, you got your grilled meat, your grilled beef. Lasang-lasa mo rin yung salsa, yung salsa sauce niya. On the other hand, i-add mo yung, yung shawarma sauce plus shawarma, cheese. This is my first time to try this. And I am absolutely impressed. This is unique. Wow. Alright, so guys, based sa research ko sa fan page nila, I think they are, really well known in selling roasted chicken. However, you can check out their fan page. Ang dami po nilang tinitinda. You can get, of course, the roasted chicken. They got spaghetti. They have bangus. Oh, wow. Kalderetang kambing. Kalderetang kambing. Goat caldereta. Check that out. Anyway, so guys, you can check out their fan page. It's Prim's Chic Inside, and once again, we would like to thank them for sending us these amazing dishes. As I always say, guys, more than you watch me eat the food that they bring us here sa aming bahay, I would like you to taste them as well. So I would like you to enjoy them. So if you're interested to buy from them, make sure to check out their fan page. I'm gonna share this with my family so that ma-enjoy din nila yung mga pagkain na to. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Make sure to tag them when you share this, okay? Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. I'm still gonna enjoy this, guys, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye.